Hi all, welcome to Python for Data Science. In this video, we will see the programming basics in Python. So under programming basics, we will see variables, operators and indentation. In this video, I have covered variables. So what is a variable? It is a location in memory to store some values like a is equal to 10. So a is a variable to store the value 10. And in Python, there is no need to declare the variable before using it. The variable will be created when you are first assigning value to it. And there are some constraints on how to name the variables. So the constraints are a variable should start with the alphabet, and the only symbol allowed in naming the variable is underscore. An underscore can come anywhere in the variable name, but if any number is there, then it should come after the symbol or alphabet. So these are the constraints on how to name a variable. Now let us check whether we understood the naming constraints of variables. See the first one, the first variable underscore 1a, it is a valid one because it started with underscore. And see the second one, uh, it is underscore a1, again it is also started with underscore, so it is a valid one. And see the third variable name 1 underscore a, so a variable name should not start with number, so uh, 1 underscore a is not a valid variable name. And the fourth one 1 a underscore, again this variable name is also started with number, so it is also not a valid variable name. Then the fifth one a underscore 1, it is started with the alphabet, so it is a valid one. And the sixth one a 1 underscore, and it is also started with an alphabet, so it is also a valid one. So if the variable name is started with a number, it is not a valid one. And the only symbol allowed in a variable name is underscore, and a variable name can start with either alphabet or underscore. So these are the rules on how to name a variable. So next we will see casting. So as I told already, in Python there is no need to declare a variable, but if you want to explicitly specify the data type of any variable, you can do that by casting. So see the first example, x is equal to str of 3. So if I write x is equal to 3, then 3 x will be an integer 3. But as I have written x is equal to str of 3, now this x will be a string data type. So see here x will be 3, which is written inside single quotes, so it is considered as a string. And then next y is equal to int of 3. If I write normally 3, then also it will be considered as integer. Now also it is considered as integer. Then the next example, z is equal to float of 3. Now z will be considered as 3.0 as a floating point variable. Then we have a function called type. So this function is used to get the data type of any variable. So see the first example, x is equal to 5. So if I type print of type of x, it will give the answer as class int, means it belongs to the class integer. So see the next example, y is equal to John, and if I type print of type of y, it will display the result as class str, means it belongs to data type string, because John is written inside double quotes, so it will be considered as string. So this is how we can get the data type of any variable. So in this video I have covered uh, what are variables. In the next video, I will explain you the operators in Python. Thank you.